Welcome to CITYHABITAT Goldenvisa Greece Real Estate. Nikossepentzis present you exclusively this unique whole-floor apartment of 150 square meters. In one of the most beautiful areas of the Athenian Riviera, Varkiza, 100 meters from the beach and central Plaza. This apartment is standing on the first entire floor of a very interesting 5-floor building. Spreading in 150 square meters, it offers a very large sunny living dining room with energy fireplace, semi-open kitchen with all the electric appliances installed, 3 bedrooms, an office and 2 bathrooms. Wooden floors all over the apartment, autonomous heating, large terraces with greenery views, awnings, air conditioning, security door, alarm system, parking spot, storage room. It can be given fully furnished and equipped. The apartment is completely and luxury renovated on 2019 and the year built is in 1990. Greek Golden Visa program grants a 5-year residency visa in return for an investment in real estate with the lowest cost entry in European Union, minimum investment of only €250,000. Visit historical monuments and islands in Greece, date from all time periods. Famous for its ancient civilization and magical natural landscape, Greece, this Mediterranean country, has countless hidden gems to offer. Is widely known for its friendly atmosphere and the genuine hospitality of its people. Numerous visitors fall in love with it and return every year for one more vacation, making Greece the best invest in real estate properties country. Nikossepentzis, owner of CITYHABITAT Goldenvisa, has the biggest sales number on real estate in Greece. Sold a total of 901 properties in 22 years. Our experience and discretion in communicating with all parties in any agreement always achieve the best results for both parties. We are ready to assist you to sell or rent out your property, following highly effective modern sales methods. 8 out of 10 of our properties are currently selling in less than 30 days. Thanks for watching our agency presentation. You will find below contact information,